Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah. Yes, an Amal Malaysia and Malaysian donors. Alhamdulillah. This is from water tubal is working. MashaAllah. This one village I show already. That is house, very backward area. All houses, very poor people. They, someone elder from this person then request to me to need water tubal to this area from drink for men, women and children and all family and also animals to drink from this water. बाबा अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आपका नाम क्या है? मोहम्मद। मोहम्मद बाबा, ये आपको पानी की जरूरत थी यहाँ पे?
हाँ सी।
पहले आप पानी कहाँ से लेके आते थे?
पानी परेशान
दूर से लेके आते थे? कैसे लेके आते थे? चलो Alhamdulillah. He said to me last time he fill water from going to very far to fill, then he come and very difficult to drink, very difficult for live. You know, water is very important from life. Also animals, also people. So Alhamdulillah, I start work from there. Start work from there to Alhamdulillah, from making water hand pump, so water tubal in this village. इस गांव का नाम क्या बाबा? The village name is Waterpump. Alhamdulillah, they all very thankfully. आप दुआ करोगे उनके लिए जो आपको लगवा के दे? Inshallah. He will pray for donor and also yes and Amal Malaysia and team Amal for supporting from this program from the house. ये बताओ। Inshallah, may Allah subanawatallah bless you and giving reward inshallah. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Baba, ये करो सब।